Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arceva, known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So as you can see, we have another plant unboxing for you guys. The last video was actually an unboxing as well, but this one is a collaboration with Plants Direct to You. We've collaborated one time before in the past, and we actually hosted a giveaway with them before, and it was so much fun partnering with them that they decided they would want to partner again. Well, you guys know that fall is around the corner, so this plant has something to do with fall. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the unboxing, and then we're gonna talk about the plant that's inside this box. So here it is, the chrysanthemum, aka one known to be a mum. Mums are one known to be grown during the fall because they have a more cold tolerant aspect to them, and they usually come in orange, reds, pinks, and yellows, and even whites. And usually you see the yellows or the oranges because those represent fall, the fall season. And like we're in September, fall is right across the corner for us, or right around the corner for us, and we are ready to plant our fall plants this season. So they decided to send me a mum, and I'm so excited because this is the first plant of the season of fall that I have, and I'm super excited to do so. So now let's talk about some growing tips on mums. So coming in number one is that they like full sun. Mums require full sun during the fall because like in other zones or in other growing zones, they love the sun, especially during fall where temperatures are starting to decline and only staying between the 70s, even 60s or probably 80s. They like to have full sun because the full sun allows them to be in full bloom and get big like this one. So full sun is a must. Number two is that they like well-draining but moist soil. One thing I do know about mums is that they do have some type of drought tolerance to them, that they can handle a few days without watering. But it's not fully recommended because it can delay bloom time, and any new blooms could be dried off during that period of you not watering it. So make sure that soil is well moist and it's well draining as well. So I'd recommend watering every 2 to 3 days if you can. Third is fertilizing. Mums do like a little feed here and there to promote their growth as well as their blooming time and their bloom production. So giving them a slow release fertilizer that can last the entire fall season is the best for these types of plants because you get bigger plants and more flowers, which is everything you want when it comes to a mum. Fourth is that deadheading is required. For more flowers, you do want a deadhead, and plus when the plant is out of bloom, it does tend to look ugly if you don't deadhead it. So deadheading is very much required when it comes to these types of plants or seasonal plants, so they can always look their best throughout your fall season. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. I had so much fun unboxing this plant as well as filming this video for you guys. I'm gonna be leaving a product link for this plant down below for you guys to get your plants today. And they are running a 10% sale on all their mums for the fall season, so I recommend you go snatch your mums up for your fall season right now. So I'm gonna be leaving their website, their media pages, and this product link down below for you guys to check out. So thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.